Good morning, dear students. In this video, we will learn how to write letter of complaint or complaint letter. First of all, you should know why we write complaint letter. See, how many times has it happened that you bought a product and it turned out to be defective? How many times did you avail a public service and were left dissatisfied? Or did you ever notice any problematic practice taking place at a public place? What do you do in such situations? Most of the times, we do not take any action in such situations, because of which the problem doesn't get the attention it deserves and hence negligence increases. So in such cases, instead of avoiding the thing, we should write complaint letter to the set authorities who can solve those problems. Before telling you how to write complaint letter, first of all, I'll tell you how many points or on which topics complaint letter can be written. So these points are the followings. Incomplete or defective order, abnormal delay in sending the consignment, the goods arrive in a damaged condition, the goods are different from what were ordered, quantity of goods or quality is not what was ordered, goods are delivered at the wrong address, work undertaken is done unsatisfactorily, misbehavior of staff or salesman, mistake is in preparing the invoice, defective packing that might lead to the damage of goods in transit. These are some of the points on which complaint letter can be written. But these are not only the points. Complaint letter can be written in other areas as well. It depends on the situations. It depends on the problems, whatever arises in front of us. Now, we should know what is the marking scheme of complaint letter. Complaint letter is just like any formal letter, and the marking scheme of the formal letter is, first of all come the format, and format considers sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject or heading, salutation, complimentary clause. If you have written all these things in your letter, it means 1 mark will be given. For content, 4 marks, accuracy 1.5 marks, fluency 1.5 marks. So in total this question is of 8 marks. So content, the material what you are going to write, the matter. Accuracy, the correctness, your spelling, sentence, grammar. If everything is accurate, then 1.5. Fluency, how the things are correlated. And now we will solve one question. You are Sanjeet of 122 Arjun Nagar, New Delhi. A number of scooters and cars are parked in your locality without any order, causing blockage of the streets. Write a letter to the local secretary of the Residents Association complaining against this problem. Answer. First of all, writer's address will come. It is already given in it, 122 Arjun Nagar, New Delhi. Writer's address will come in 2 lines, just like in any formal letter. Leave 1 line, write today's date. That will be, accordingly you will write down at 3rd July 2020. Then address, receiver's address, secretary, the secretary, Residents Association, New Delhi. Sir, comma, leave 1 line. You will leave one line after writing each entry. Subject, complaint regarding the issue of bad packing habit in the locality. So first paragraph starts. I would like to derive your attention to the bad parking habits of residents in our locality. It is so this way. I repeat once again, when you are writing self-address, leave one line, date, leave one line, address of the addressee or to whom we are writing a letter, leave one line. After writing sir or madam, leave one line. Subject need to be underlined as it is done in the example. You can see subject line will come maximum 2 lines. Whether it should come in 1 line or maximum 2 lines. After writing subject, again you will leave 1 line and then your first paragraph will start. As in complaint letter, you are deriving someone's attention towards the problem. So this letter of complaint will start with, I would like to derive your attention to the bad packing habits. From here you will correlate to your question. According to the question, your this matter will come up. I hope you are following properly. Then we will proceed ahead. The same paragraph is going on. It is parking habits of residents in our locality. It is resulting in a lot of chaos and no place for parking for those who come back late. After this you will leave the para. Despite defining the area assigned to each vehicle, cars are parked amidst 2 parking spots. 1 vehicle occupies the space for 2-3 vehicles, leading to mismanagement. 2-wheelers are placed nowhere near the allotted zone. This creates problem for other people as they have to then spend a lot of time finding parking spots in other localities. It includes frustration and tension for safety of vehicles. Various notices, again leave 1 paragraph, line. Various notices and warnings have been given to the rule violators, but to our dismay, no betterment can be seen. I request you to take strict action as this is leading to fights between the residents. An effective and speedy action is expected considering the depth of the situation. So, in first paragraph, you introduce the problem. What is the real problem coming up? That the people are parking and in not their proper areas. Then, in the second paragraph, from despite to safety of vehicles, your second paragraph runs. In second paragraph, you will describe what are the problem increasing, what are the problems related to wrong parking. And then in the third paragraph, you will write whether whatever voice you have raised, has it proved any result, or then you will tell what do you want from the authority, meaning your expectations also you will tell in the third paragraph, meaning what should be the solution according to you. So as various notices and warning have been given to the rule violators, meaning in the beginning of the third para you are telling what you have already done regarding this problem, but to our dismay, meaning disappointment, no betterment can be seen, meaning this is you have already told what you have done. Now what you are expecting them is written. Carry on. The third para, the last one, action is expected considering the depth of the situation. Again, here the letter ends. One line you will leave, yours sincerely. Here the writer is Sanjeet in the question, a concerned citizen. This way your complaint letter will close. I hope you all have followed it. Thank you.